Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020, and it's the last day of the month. It's our second day of online learning class. Today for you, I have a short video to give you some direction on what we're doing in class today. So the agenda is pretty similar to what it was yesterday. Make sure you answer the daily attendance question if you haven't already done so. Everybody did a great job with that yesterday. Then you want to watch the video, which you're doing now, and then you just have one activity to participate in today, and that is a follow-up from our severe weather project that we were working on right when school was closed. So we are going to do a follow-up with that project. Yesterday you had to turn in your project if you didn't already, and I've compiled them in Google Classroom for us. The homework for tonight is just to remember that the test is coming up on Monday. A lot of you guys posted some great questions on the Padlet site yesterday, and I spent the day answering all of those questions, but if more come up as we're preparing for the test, please feel free to post or email me. Starting tomorrow, that is when we're going to be doing more intensive review for the test on Monday. Okay, so let's talk about what we're doing today. So I'm calling this the follow-up because this is the time when you are going to be looking at your classmates' projects. Originally, we had planned to do a gallery walk in class, but since we can't do that together, we're going to do that online. So what you're going to need to do is in this posting in Google Classroom, I'm going to show you that in a moment, you are going to be opening up the Google Doc that's titled Severe Weather Notes. And then you're going to be using the links that are posted in that spot in Classroom to look at your classmates' projects and basically fill out the missing information. So let me show you what that is going to look like. Okay, now remember, your view in Google Classroom is not exactly the same as mine, but it's going to be pretty similar. So you can see you've got the title of the post, the directions, which is the same that I'm going over now, and then you have your severe weather notes. So when you open them up, they will look like this, okay? And you're just going to type in the answers, right, into the document as you find them in your classmates' projects. Okay. There's a section for thunderstorms, a small section for tornadoes, and then a section for hurricanes as well. Okay. Each one of these will take you to a project. They're in no certain order, but most of them you can see here do have a title that give you an idea of what the information is about. So you'll take a look at them and get the information that you need to type into the notes. And you can just click on the link and it'll bring you right there and you can scan through your classmates' work. Now, on the off chance that you can't find one of the blank spots in the document that you're looking for, like let's say you could only find 3 things a tornado needed to form instead of 4 like you see here in the chart, don't sweat it, okay? It's not too big of a deal if you're missing 1 or 2 things. As long as you have the majority of the information filled in, you will get credit for your work. There's also a backup in case you need it. Chapter 13 in the textbook is another place where you can find information on storms. It's the same place where you got the information for your project as well. And remember, that is under the meteorology resources in Google Classroom. So let me show you where that is since it's been a while. So if I scroll back over to Classroom, get out of here. Go down to meteorology and you're going to have to click view more. Remember, because we had a lot of posts for meteorology. And all the way down here under resources, you'll find chapter 13. And there she is. Okay, and then you can use this information as well if you need it. Hopefully you won't. Okay, but if you need it, it's there. Okay, and you can use that also to help you fill out your Google Doc. Okay, make sure that when you are finished that you hit the turn in button. Okay, so that way you get credit for your work, just like usual. And then at the end, whatever time you have left over, please feel free to use it to do a little review for your test. Hey, and remember, as you're working on the assignment, hey, anytime tomorrow, please feel free to ask me any questions. You can email me, post it on the Padlet. Office hours, we're still waiting to hear about our office hours, so that's still to be determined. But for now, Padlet and email are going to be your best resource. Hey, good luck, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you all in class tomorrow.